How to connect a payment processor to your website in Wix Studio. Turn to your dock, scroll down right here into your left sidebar onto your dashboard, and then click right here into your settings. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see in here your website settings. For this one, click onto this Accept Payments option. So for this one, you can see in here some payment processors that you can connect. So for this one, first things first, make sure to confirm your business location. Now, as you can see for our business location, we have the option for PayPal. You can either connect that to your liking. We can also do manual payments like cash, check, or other custom forms of payment. So if you want to connect your PayPal, just head over and click onto this connect option. Enter your PayPal account in the email form below, and then for this one, click on connect. If you actually want to connect some credit card processor, just scroll down and click onto the see more payment options. We have in here this payment wall, online send it, as well as Dragon Pay, Hit Pay, and a lot more. So your payment option actually is dependent on the country that we have earlier. So since I'm in the Philippines, I only have in here this. For this one, let's choose in here online payments, by send it, and click on connect. Now just input right here your secret key, and after that click on connect, and then make sure to actually go and receive those credentials, and then you should be able to connect this payment processor. So that's how you connect a payment processor to your website in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.